Chapter 4. Environmental Balance. Environmental balance means everything in nature. Plants, animals, people, air, water, and land work together in harmony. When this balance is kept, all living things can live safely and happily. Students, today we're going to talk about something very important: how nature keeps everything balanced and how we must help protect it. The name of today's chapter is Environmental Balance. Environment. Look around you. What do you see? Trees, sky, air, water, animals, soil, and sunlight, right? All these things together make up the environment. The environment means everything that surrounds us. It includes both living things like plants and animals and non-living things like water, air, soil, and sunlight. Environmental science is the study of how these living and non-living things are connected and how they affect each other. What is biodiversity? Now let's learn a new word: biodiversity. It means the variety of living things in a place: trees, animals, birds, insects, and even tiny organisms. Different regions of the earth have different kinds of animals and plants. For example, you won't find a polar bear in a hot desert. Scientists study biodiversity by observing nature during day and night, watching animals and plants in different seasons, studying both small and large living things. So biodiversity means lots of different types of life, all living together. Children, nature works like a big family. All living things are connected and depend on each other. This is called interdependence. For example, plants need sunlight, air, and water to grow. Animals eat plants or other animals. Dead plants and animals are broken down by tiny microorganisms, which make the soil rich again. Everything in nature is connected like a chain. Food chain. A food chain shows who eats whom in nature. Let me give you an example. Grass, grasshopper, bird, snake, kite. Grass is eaten by the grasshopper. The bird eats the grasshopper. The snake eats the bird. The kite eats the snake. And when these animals die, they get broken down by tiny organisms and return to the soil. Many food chains together make a food web. If one part of the food chain is disturbed, the whole chain is affected. Environmental balance. There are three main natural cycles that help keep the environment balanced. Water cycle. Sun heats the water. It turns into vapor, evaporation. Vapor rises and cools, forms clouds, condensation. Clouds become heavy. Rain falls, precipitation. Rainwater flows into rivers and oceans. This cycle keeps repeating and gives us clean water and rain. Oxygen carbon dioxide cycle. Animals and people breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide to make food and give out oxygen. This keeps the air clean and balanced. Nutrient cycle. When plants and animals die, microorganisms break them down. Nutrients go into the soil. Plants absorb those nutrients again. This helps plants grow and make soil fertile. Why environmental balance is important. Students, when these natural cycles work properly, we get clean air, water, and food. Animals and plants live happily. Nature stays beautiful and healthy. But if something disturbs this balance, it affects everything. For example, if trees are cut down, animals lose their homes and soil becomes dry. What we have learnt: the environment includes all living and non-living things. Biodiversity means the variety of living things. Nature maintains balance through food chains and cycles. Different kind of animal, plants, and microorganisms are found in different regions of the earth.